kids. So in this class we'll discuss about the derivation of third equation, that is v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Okay, this equation can be derived easily with the help of second equation. So I'll write second equation first. S is equal to ut plus half at square. So what I have to do is t value I have to substitute. T value from acceleration, I know a is equal to v minus u by t. Now if I want t, I'll write t is equal to v minus u by e. This t value I will substitute. Okay, substitute is u into t value is v minus u by a plus half. A will be as usual and t means what? V minus u by a whole square. Reason it is by. Okay. Now I'll write u into v, uv I can write u into u square divided by a. Okay. Now this half as usual. Here I'll write v minus u whole square into v minus u whole square. A ka square is a square. 1a and this a get cancelled. We have uv minus u square divided by a plus half. Okay. Now we have v minus u whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square. A square. Okay, plus b square minus 2ab divided by a. Right? Now I have a, 2 and this. What I can do is uv minus u square divided by a is equal to plus this complete I can multiply, I will get v square plus u square minus 2uv divided by 2 into a is 2a. What I will get? 2a. So a is that, 2 is not there, I will multiply with 2. 2a is there, I will multiply uv into 2 is 2uv. Okay, right? 2 into u square is 2u square plus v square plus u square minus 2uv. Right? So this plus 2uv minus 2uv get cancelled. Okay, so like terms I'll write 2u square plus u square plus v square divided by 2. What I have is yes. Now this minus 2u minus, you can see that minus 2u square plus u square. What are like terms? Minus into plus minus. So I can write s is equal to, big number sign is minus. So minus 1u square, or you can write only u square, no problem, plus v square divided by 2a. So 2a I'll send that side, we get 2 into as is equal to u square plus v square. We want 2as is equal to v square minus u square. This is my third law equation of motion. Okay, very important. Looks like lengthy. If you are practicing regularly, if you are understanding, then 100% you can solve easily. Very important. It may come for 2 to 3 marks in your 9th class. Okay, so concentrate and these equations can be used to solve maximum numericals. So that we'll see in the coming classes. Okay, thank you.